behalf of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, this is Santoshi Singh presenting the headlines for today. National level workshop on climate change started at National Training Center, Panchmari from 5th to 9th June 2023. World Environmental Day was celebrated on 5th June 2023 by the members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides pan-India. Tamil Nadu State conducted pre-ALT courses for Guide Wing from 27th to 31st May 2023. The National Youth Adventure Program took place in Manali, Himachal Pradesh from 5th to 9th June 2023. Honorable Chief Minister of Assam State, Dr. Hemant Biswa Sarma, accepted to be the President of the Assam State Bharat Scouts and Guides. The World Bicycle Day was celebrated by the Kamrup district of Assam State Bharat Scouts and Guides. West Bengal State inaugurated their first adventure park at State Training Center, Ganganagar. Cleaning of road, temple premises by Scouts and Guides of both district Bharat Scouts and Guides, Odisha State. Members of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides donating blood for the injured person of Coromandel train accident. World No Tambaku Day 2023 observed by the members of South Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides, Adra District Association, NF Railway, Bardarpur District Association. Coming up with the brief news of the day, national level workshop on climate change started at National Training Center, Panchmari from 5th to 9th June 2023. 75 members from 14 state associations participated. The workshop was inaugurated by Shri S.S. Rai Sir. By lighting the traditional lamp, the participants performed colorful cultural program, different activities in waste reduction challenge, carbon footprint, eco-friendly art project, sustainable cooking exhibition on how to save water, reel making competition, nature walk, etc. was conducted in the workshop. The workshop is conducted under the leadership of Bablu Goswami Sir, Assistant Director, with the help of invited staff. World Environmental Day is one of the biggest international day for the environmental observed pan-India by the members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. The staff of the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters celebrated the day with plantation of guava tree at the National Headquarter premises in the presence of the Director.
आज नेशनल हेडक्वार्टर में हम लोग वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। सबसे यही अनुरोध है आज इस वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे पे कि हम लोग प्लास्टिक का यूज जो है वो कम से कम करें और सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक की बात मैं स्पेशली कर रहा हूँ। बाकी आपको ध्यान ये रखना है कि आपका इलेक्ट्रिक या बिजली, पानी, ये सारा जो कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हमारा रिसोर्सेस है, इसको जितना कम वेस्टेज करें उतना ही अच्छा है। और हम लोग ये ध्यान रखें कि इसी प्रकार का वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे के डिफरेंट टाइप की जो प्रोग्राम्स हैं हम सेलिब्रेट करें इसके साथ, और साथ ही साथ बहुत सारे पौधे लगाएं, इस वर्ल्ड को जो है ग्रीनरी बनाएं। और फाइनली यही मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि देयर इज़ नो प्लैनेट 2, एक ही पृथ्वी है, तो इसको अच्छे से बचा के रखें और हम सबकी सहयोगिता से ये बहुत ही अच्छे बने हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए, यही उम्मीद करता हूँ। थैंक यू। हैप्पी वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे टू ऑल।
Participants of the National Adventure Program celebrated Environmental Day with the Forest Department Scouts and Guides took oath on Environment Day. On the same day, Quartermaster cum Warden course started at National Training Center, Panchmari with plantation of a mango tree. The Assam State celebrated the day at STC Chamata Pathar in collaboration with Param Krishna Alumni Association of Guwahati University by planting saplings of fruit trees and ornamental plants. Scouts and Guides planted medicinal trees, saplings, also distributed paper bags in nearby shops and motivated the public, say no to plastic. On the occasion of World Environmental Day, Kamrup District Association, the Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a quiz competition virtually on climate change at 8 p.m. Headquarters District Association of NF Railway organized tree plantation drive by the Scouts and Guides, Rovers, Rangers and unit leaders at the Railway Institute, Maligaon. Tinsukia District Association of NF Railway observed World Environmental Day 2023 with the theme of Beat Plastic Pollution by performing a Nukkad Natak at New Tinsukia Railway Station and participated in a cleanliness drive. Tripura State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Khowai District organized a tree plantation program in which Shri Pinaki Das Chaudhary, member of the Tripura Legislature, was present as chief guest. Scouts and Guides Guides of Muluke, East District of Sikkim, did a demonstration on the Tide Turners Plastic Challenge with various programs like taking a pledge to no use of single plastic, cleanliness drive, and keeping dustbins biodegradable and non-biodegradable, etc. Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides Kachrapara District Association observed the day by awareness rally, Nukkad Natak and planting tree. Under the guidance of the State Chief Commissioner of Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Dr. K.K. Khandilwal, Chief National Commissioner, and under the direction of State Secretary Sri Maniram Sharma, various programs were organized on World Environmental Day in Sonipat District of Haryana. Activities like minimum use of plastic, a painting competition, environmental protection oath, a cleanliness campaign, and arrangement of water grains for birds with the help of eco-friendly club were organized. Raipur and Mungeli districts Bharat Scouts and Guides Chhattisgarh State celebrated the day by organizing the Life Pledge program on 1st June 2023 under Mission Life Lifestyle for Environment and Paryavaran Mandal, Government of Chhattisgarh. Scouts and Guides took oath for environmental protection and awareness as well as to continue to serve for protection. A tree plantation program was organized at Raipur and Gorela Pendra Marwahi districts Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Scouts and Guides planted trees. A rally was taken out to make people aware about tree plantation. The message of environmental protection was given by the guide of Government High School Charoda Palari District Baloda Bazar Chhattisgarh State by cleaning the pond, that how we can free our water resources from pollution. Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides District Headquarters Sikar National Green Corporation organized spectacular programs like marathon running, cycle rally, public awareness rally, street show, environmental song, environmental disaster and Parinda campaign for the birds, etc. East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides observed World Environmental Day 2023 on the theme Solution of Plastic Pollution. Many programs were organized by the Scouts and Guides and members of the Dhanbad District Association and groups. Nukkad Natak jute cloth bags were distributed among the passengers and trees were planted in Gomo Railway Colony. Shalimar Babu Quarter Central District Association Southeastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides organized Nukkad Natak and awareness rally on climate change. World Environmental Day was celebrated at Scout Guide Subdivision Headquarter, Farbizganj, located at Plus 2 Academy Sport Ground of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides District Ara. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Tamil Nadu State conducted pre-AT courses for Guide Wing from 27th to 31st May 2023 with 65 members participated. The camp was divided into two groups. All topics pertaining to pre-LT were presented with PowerPoint presentation skills, ceremonies and micro-teachings were tested. Mrs. Kumud Mehra, Leader Trainer of Ranger Section, Assistant Director Southern Region, and Miss Saroja, Leader Trainer of Guide Section from Karnataka were the LOCs. The National Youth Adventure Program took place in Manali, Himachal Pradesh from 5th to 9th June 2023 with the participation of 151 participants from 7 state associations. Different activities like trekking, rock climbing, shooting and zipline were enjoyed by the participants. Local sightseeing like Snow Point, Hidimba Temple, Atal Tunnel, Manali Mall Road, etc. were organized. The program was conducted by Sri Siddharth Mohanty, Project Officer. The State Secretary of Assam State, Mrs. Arunima Devi, has met the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma, and invited him to be the President of the State Association and discuss the development of scouting guiding in the state. In April 2018, the United Nations General Assembly declared June 3 as World Bicycle Day. The day was celebrated by the Scouts and Guides of Kamrup District of Assam State under the leadership of Scout Master Sri Sanu Thapa. The first adventure park of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides was inaugurated at State Training Center, Ganganagar, West Bengal on 27th to 28th May 2023, in which 113 Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers participated. Adventure activities like zipline, boating, archery, rifle shooting and rock climbing were organized. The Scouts and Guides Heads of both district Odisha state organized cleaning campaign at different places like local areas, roads and temple premises. On 2nd June 2023, a horrific three-train collision occurred near Balasore station of Odisha. As per report, more than 200 passengers have died and more than 900 passengers were injured. The member of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Balasore district rendered service at accident spot and helped the local administration. The members also giving services in the hospital by distributing food, water, etc. The member of the Bharat Scouts and Guides pays homage to the victims and pray for quick recovery of the injured. World No Tobacco Day 2023 observed by the members of Southeastern Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Adra District Association and NF Railway, Badarpur District Association on 31st May 2023 through various awareness programs in railway colonies, stations, etc. The members distributed leaflets in the train at Badarpur railway station to aware people about tobacco. The youths were the focused target of the program, as we see the youths getting addicted to tobacco, which is harmful and may cost their lives. Bulbul Camp was organized by Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides at Presentation Convent School, Jammu from 29th May 2023 to 31st May 2023 with 290 bulbuls. Miss Neelam Gupta, LT Bulbul, was the leader of the camp. Pravesh Training Camp was conducted by Jammu and Kashmir State Bharat Scouts and Guides at Model Academy School MIER campus on 29th and 30th May 2023 in which 70 Scouts and Guides participated. Now, let's just have a glance on the upcoming events of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. National Level Rover Ranger Samagam is going to be organized from 12th to 16th June 2023 at National Training Center, Panchmari, Madhya Pradesh. Expected to have above 300 rovers and rangers from all parts of the country. This time Rovers and Rangers Samagam is organized after a gap of about 3 years. The subjects like what is rovering, rangering, skill-based activities, community development program, hike, adventure activities, night scouting, etc. will be organized in the Samagam. If you want to be a part of the events, do follow the Bharat Scouts and Guides every Sunday at 8 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. and also follow our official social handles and the Bharat Scouts and Guides website. Thank you for the day.